Subscribers. So happy spectacular Saturday. Anyway, so today I'm going to be doing a tour of all of my slime collection, which has recently gotten pretty big. I used to have some more slimes, but like I left them in Costa Rica and some of them got messed up and just tons of stuff like that has happened. So I don't have as much slime as I used to. But anyways, let's get into the slime. So the first slime I have is this. It's Reese's Pop. I really love this slime. I made it April 10th, 2017. And on all of them I do like this thingy. I say the name of it right there, and I used to draw, the little picture has kind of came off, but I'm going to go ahead and get this out. Okay, so this slime is amazing. I absolutely love it. It is humongous. No joke. As you can see, it's pretty big. Like when it's just normal, I'll show you how long it is when it's normal. Okay, so when it's like, I'll show you. Okay, so it is, when it is normal, 1 feet. It was 1 feet. Okay, so 1 feet. And like, well, no, it's not even 1 feet when it's like in a thingy. But then it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like 5 inches tall. That is humongous. So I'm gonna give you a little poking of this slime. I hope you enjoyed that. So the next slime I have is this Minty Blast slime, and I love the color of this slime. It is like, it's just really cool, and it's got green sparkles in it. So I'm gonna go ahead. This slime is one of my absolute favorites. It's smaller because I've been playing with it like crazy, but it is super duper duper squishy, like, and so then and it's super stretchy. I love it so much, so I'm going to give you some poking. Okay, so the next slime I have is this Cutie Peach. It's just like this. I made all of these April 10, except I made this one right here. Wait, no. Okay, so that one, this was April 10. This is April 13th. That was April 13th, but this one was April 10th. So all of these are going to be like April 13th. I mean, it doesn't really matter, but I'm going to go ahead and open it. Okay, so the last slime that I have made, but I've made more, but I just don't have them, or I gave them away. Anyways, so it is Super Grape. This one isn't the best. I haven't squished it in a little while. Ooh, I love this. Okay. So this one is purple. I'm getting it out of the bag right now, so I don't have to like do that weird thingy. But this one is purple, and so this was the first one I made. I made all of these with medium glue, and I put a ton of shaving cream. This one I did not put that much shaving cream. But in the 2 other ones, I put so much shaving cream. Oh, I love this slime. Okay, so this one is not very stretchy. It smells pretty bad. It's really liquidy. The sparkles get right on me. Oh my. Oh, and if you're wondering what I color my slime with, I just color it with the paint. That's all I color my slime with. paint. It does not affect the slime in any way, shape, or form. Unless it's like a weird paint that has weird things in it or something. But it does not affect the slime at all. It just makes it a really pretty color. It has these sparkles. I don't know if you can see it, but it's got sparkles in it, and so I'm going to give you some poking. Okay, time to start with the next thing, which is I just stuck it in this popcorn thingy. But I'm going to go ahead and show you all of that. So one of my best friends, Maddie, made me these slimes. Maddie Lynn Klein. I'll put her channel in the description if I can. But this one is her bubblegum stretchy slime. Wait, no, I think it's her pink stretchy slime. Whee! Ah, so stretchy. Oh my goodness, I love the texture of this, guys. It's kind of hard, but I love that about it. Every time I get this slime out, I'm like, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Squishy. Anyways, so it's time for the next slime. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this one back in its bag. Let me shut it up. Okay, the next one. Okay, so this one is probably mostly for poking. You can't really stick it together, but I love it. I really do. This is really nice. So amazing. I'm gonna give you some poking of this slime. Okay, this one is absolutely amazing. I love this one. Every time I play with it, I love it. Oops, I was pulling way too hard on it. Okay. Oh, I love this slime. It is like so soft. It's extremely stretchy, by the way. Like, so stretchy. I'm still going. Wah! It finally tore. This slime is amazing. I love the texture of it, everything about it. Amaze. So I'm going to give you some poking. Okay, so this is the silver stretch, I'm pretty sure. Oh my. So greasy. This is literally so greasy. Oh my goodness. Ah, what did you stick in here, Maddie? What did you stick in here? Oh my goodness. I love it though. I really do. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed all of my slime. I will put the recipe to all of these, every single one of the ones that I made, in the description. And I will put the channel to the girl, Maddie Lynn Klein, who made me these slimes. I'll put the description to her channel in the thingy down below. By the way, my snake just ate. He's the cutest in the world. I got him a new hiding log. I'll go ahead and show you guys that. So I like reorganized, so I stuck a basket of all his stuff in there. But that is his new hiding log. You can get it at PetSmart, and it's actually for like not monkeys. What in the world? Okay, it's actually for like guinea pigs and bunnies. Like, it's this log thingy, but you can do it. You can bend it into any shape or form. So I did that. I made it a hiding log, and my snake, he likes it. Anyway guys, I hope you really enjoyed this video, and I'm still in my pajamas. If you want more Roblox videos, just comment down below. Actually, comment down below any type of video that you want to see next. Really appreciate that. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. All you have to do is click it and then click the bell to like have a chance to be subscribed. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you want to see more skits, just comment down below whatever you want to see next. So yeah, whatever you want to see. I hope you enjoyed. Bye. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you want to see more skits, vlogs, and tons of videos, just subscribe. Love you guys. Bye.